I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys to smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market today in crypto. Remember, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 3 days. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe, like, comment. Tell one of your friends about this channel. Boom, free Bitcoin. Let Bitcoin at a decision point. Overhead resistance, this red bar. This is the ceiling, the current ceiling. Now, can the bulls punch through here, retest, and continue higher on up to 50,000? Or will we see a pullback to support? Listen, if you get any kind of pullback out of Bitcoin, you're going to look to open positions up, buy that pullback. Or what I like to do is buy the USDT traded paired altcoin setups. Load up on those again. Anybody that was buying Bitcoin in here or wrote it down here, like are they selling right here? Or are they going to continue to hold because they're in profits, right? A pullback would be healthy, but in a bullish market, when you want a pullback, you don't get it. In a bearish market, you get too many of them, right? A move through this overhead resistance, 50,000 is in the cards. A pullback, great buying opportunities to one of these levels, okay? Got to make the most of this. The Bitcoin 1 hour chart, so we talked about this exact idea yesterday, where you got this bull flag broke higher, bull flag again, broke higher, exactly. Now, decision point, right? The ceiling is right here. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. We're killing it. Zach, shout out to you. He joined the group. He said it's the best choice I've ever made in crypto. And that's just it. I mean, there's thousands and thousands and thousands of people in the group for a reason. For years, we've been doing this. This person is up $7,200 in a day based on some strategies he's learned in the groups. This person up $30,000 in 2 days. Huge. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime. This market's completely different than it was over the last 2 months. Listen, you've got to make the most of this. If you're missing altcoins, you're missing moves, if you're not getting the returns you want, or you're taking losses, still, I can help you. These are the recent setups we've been in. 314% gains, 87, 145, 151, 323. Right now, if you go to the website, cryptorev.net, pay with cryptocurrency, you get 50% off if you pay for 6 months or if you pay for the year. With the year, you get an additional month for free. If you do want to pay with a card month to month, there is a monthly credit card option. Look in the description of this video, there's a link to take you directly to the website. As an example, on the 4th of August, 9,400 people saw this. No one wanted to hear about Bitcoin boom if this happens. No one wanted to hear that. Boom, 246% profits. Energy. So I've talked to you guys about Energy Swap, their decentralized exchange in the past. You could go to energyswap.exchange. Any of these coins that we're talking about, you can swap them on their DEX. Just go over here, use Energy Swap. And again, all these coins that potentially people don't have access to, they're all right here. All of the coins that we talk about, you can just swap them on Energy Swap Exchange. Security is very important. I was talking to the CEO of Energy, and he was just telling me how, we're talking about that big, DeFi hack, $600 million. And the CEO of Energy Swap is big on security. Like, they have a whole security team. They have a lot of things set up to make sure that everybody's protected. You can make endless amount of gains in any yield farming, any situation in crypto. But if you can't make sure those gains are safe and protected, they're lost potentially. Like, security is very important. They're working on a referral system for a decentralized exchange. That's big, right? I don't know if that's been done before. They're working on a bridge, an Ethereum bridge, new. It's been added to the website, but it's not quite yet there yet. Also, like, yield farming's coming. Energy is going to be big long term. Make sure and check out Energy Swap Exchange and keep an eye on energy going forward. Super USDT. Anybody remember this? Just happened yesterday. Hey, thanks for 1,100 likes. Let's get this guy up to 1,500 likes. 10,000 people saw this. Super triangle breakout for entry. We got tons of setups for you guys at the end of the video. Make sure to stay tuned for that. Super USDT triangle breakout, 44% gains. NFT projects have been booming. Dogecoin. Okay, so a lot of these larger caps have been starting to move. This is going to be very Bitcoin dependent, but I mean, you could see 30 cent, 34 cent, 36 cent Doge. It's moving right now. You want to keep an eye on Bitcoin because this is a USDT traded pair. Bitcoin pulls back, right? If it happens, you're looking for a support retest for entry. But Doge, I mean, this is a perfect textbook, like Adam, Eve, double bottom. Here's the confirmation line, and it's moving. Rune USDT. So we're talking about in group how that huge DeFi hack. But Rune, as a reminder, like Rune got hacked twice. Like we were in this setup on Rune. Think about crypto, it's crazy. Like these coins get hacked. Rune was hacked twice, right? So used to, when I first got into crypto, I'd say, oh, they got hacked. I'm never messing with them again. Rune got hacked twice. I talked to you guys about this idea, and it ran up 145% after the double bottom hack, only in crypto. So don't write these coins off. Listen, I could tell you so many of these coins that got hacked in the past. Like, it's know that they recover, right? The most important thing about being very successful in this market is understanding why do these coins move? A couple reasons. Maybe they're the greenest coins on an exchange, right? People FOMO, new money, retail, FOMOs into the top coins, top movers, and that's why they pump crazy. News catalysts, right? So positive news comes out. There's a date, there's a hard fork, there's a halving, there's EIP 1559. The herd's going to buy just on those ideas, right? They're going to buy news, right? The hype, they're going to buy the hype. And a lot of times you get a sell-off about the date that it's going to occur. And then there's strong technical patterns, right? And so a double bottom is a strong technical pattern. So you take all these three ideas on this channel. This is why you watch this channel. You take all these ideas, you combine them together, and then you become very profitable in crypto. Life-changing money. This is CFX. This is a BTC pair, right? So it's going to do best if BTC just kind of slowly does nothing. All right. This is just trying to bottom. Like it's been in a downtrend since it's got added to Binance and needs to break above this level and to work considerably higher. Again, you could see 100% gains. Understand, like with most of these coins, you have to be patient. Okay, so this broke out, right? You had this little rounded bottom cup and handle, and it's retesting support. Okay, so it's just starting to move. I mean, this thing is just starting to, it broke above the 200, right? And so that's big. And now what's really happening here, and I want you guys to focus on this, what's really happening here is this is a rising channel, a rising wedge. It just broke out to the upside, okay? Now it's retesting support. Coins like this have a tendency to move at an exponential rate. Hedgig. So I posted on Twitter. Hedgig's pumping August the 8th. It just broken out. Just broken out. Talked about the measured move up here. Just broke out. Look, Hedgig. Boom. 66% gains. Like the money is flowing into the altcoins. You guys notice that yet? There's still a bunch of people that are probably sitting on the sidelines just like scared Bitcoin's going to pull back. Yeah, Bitcoin is going to pull back at some point. Just buy more altcoins. Load up. Right? This is not like, let me put my entire life savings in crypto all at one time, right? Scale in, buy dips, buy pullbacks, load up on altcoins and on pullbacks. Rose looks good. Okay, so the previous resistance, a lot of people say, why do you circle this? Previous resistance. Okay, so this is the ceiling, right? This is the ceiling right now. Okay, if Rose breaks the ceiling and then it becomes the new floor, you're looking for tremendous upside, 60% gains out of Rose. You got this huge Adam Eve double bottom here. I mean, the measured move up here alone is just in this area, right? I mean, you're going to see huge gains out of Rose. ARDR. Okay, so this had a crazy pump, and now it's pulled back. And you can see people are reaccumulating this. People are buying this. It's putting in higher highs and higher lows, right? So essentially, again, this is that rising channel idea. Volume hasn't really come in very strong. What you want to see is a breakout of this level. This candle hasn't closed yet. right? And so understand if this flips this level as support, then you're looking for more upside. It's always like these little coins that maybe you haven't even heard of, right? People get stuck on these large caps they've been holding forever, and that's all they're interested in. A lot of these coins, these small caps, like they move easier. They pump immediately. VITE USDT, buy the breakout of this level. So it has broken out of this level. And what you want to see is it come back down here and retest and this hold, right? Because the strongest group of buyers is waiting right here for upside. Now there's probably some kind of triangle in here like this, something like this. Okay, so again, if that breaks out, I mean, you could hit some significant numbers as far as upside for VITE. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Boom. See you guys tomorrow.